everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak, and although I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I'm also a crafter as well. Oh, excuse me. So tonight I have some unboxings to do with you. Now, you'll want to go ahead and click back and see the unboxing I just did of my paper pumpkin for February 2018, which is a craft kit in a box that comes to your door every month. And my Stampin' Up! Goodies as well. And now I have some items that are not Stampin' Up! Related, but I just thought I would share with you what was on my doorstep today when I got home. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, this is a brand new subscription that I signed up for. Yeah, I like to see what the competition is doing, you know? Okay, so I'm not really promoting this, but it's an Annie's Card Maker Kit Club. Okay, so go ahead and check out Paper Pumpkin Kit, and Annie's just comes in this plain old envelope. Not that impressed with that. So I just thought I would take a look at this. I was able to get this kit for free. Your first month subscription is free. So if you're interested in it, you know, again, I'm not promoting this. I'm just sharing. And this is how the kit comes. You know, it was in a plastic bag. I discarded that. And because I was a new subscriber, they give you this free tool, use and care. So this comes in your first kit. And I'm going to give you my honest opinion. Okay, so here's an acrylic block. Here's the Stampin' Up! Block. Okay, and here's the one that they give you. Not very impressed. You know, the edges on it are square. Ours are rounded. Ours are thicker. It's okay. If you have nothing, right? You know, if you have nothing. So, here's a bone folder. I think it's it's plastic. It's bendable. Okay, let me see if I have mine. No, don't look too closely at mine. Mine's very grody and well loved. Now, mine is actually made from a bone. It's made from the thigh bone of a cow. I know, don't get grossed out, but it is. So it's very durable. This is plastic. It bends. Not really impressed with that. A lot smaller than the Stampin' Up! One as well. So, okay, but it's free, right? All right. Okay, here's a little stamp. And apparently it says, can you see that? Created by, you know, for your little name. This is teeny tiny. It's as big as my thumb. Not even. Okay. Not impressed. But again, comes in the kit free. And then here we have, what do they actually call this? Interchangeable piercing / embossing tool. So let's take a look at this. I'm not sure, do I pull this? Oh, okay, there's a little embossing nub on that. Okay, I like that idea. That's cool. And I'm not really sure if I'm supposed to change the tips, unscrew metallic ends, and blue plastic piece on the bottom of tool, and then switch the tip. Okay. Oh, all right. I see that. Okay, so there's the piercing. All right, that's cool. I like that. I'll probably use that. How'd that go in there? Yeah, like that. I like the concept of that. That's a cool idea. And then you keep all your little doohickeys here in this little pouch. Okay? So that was a free gift for joining the Annie's Card Maker Kit of the Month Club. Alright, so let's see what we got in the kit here. Oh, here we go. Okay, fresh picked. Let's rip this off so we can see what we got. The packaging is not too thrilling for me. I like, I'm comparing this to the Stampin' Up! Paper Pumpkin, which comes in a cute box. And these are just glue dotted on. No biggie there. No, nothing exciting. So here's some ribbon and some lace trim. That's pretty. And here we have a stamp set. Red rubber. Okay, the quality looks pretty good. I'll have to see, though, when I go to stamp with it. But the image looks pretty well and deeply embossed. May you find magic in unexpected places today. Cute. May every part of your day have happy in it. I love that. A laugh is a smile that bursts. Okay. I like the sayings. The little flowers are cute. Okay. So here's the kit of the month called Fresh Picked. Apparently they must show you techniques. So it says this month's technique is layering. Puffy glitter, epoxy stickers, and soft white flocking give texture to these cards, making them feel like they were picked fresh from the garden. Okay, that's pretty. And then here are the sample cards, the materials that they give you. They show you how to cut it, layering. The samples are very pretty. I'll make them up, and I'll have to share them. But again, oh, here they are back here. Pretty. Very pretty. Oh, and look at these. These must be the epoxy stickers. Sorry about the glare. So, let's take them out. They look very nice. Let's see. Ooh, they have like that vinyl-y smell. Oh, I'm a smell person. You know, like when you buy the new tool, the pool for the swimming pool, the toys for the pool. That's what they smell like. But look how pretty they are. I love them. And look at their they're thick. Let me take this one off. They are. They're like thick plastic. And pretty. Okay, I like those. Stampin' Up! Should look into something like epoxy stickers. They are fun. Alright, and what do we have here? These look like the envelopes. Okay. Oh, I'm already 7 minutes into this. What am I gibbering about? Okay, the quality of the envelopes, oh, not that great. Kind of like thin, crinkly. Not impressed with that. Here's cardstock for the cards. Let's check out that quality. Again, I'm used to top quality Stampin' Up! So, okay. Well, they're scored for you, which is nice. It's okay. It's kind of like a shiny feel, you know, whereas ours is kind of like a little bit of a rough feel. And then what do we have here? We have, oh, they're stuck together. Is this just sheets? Okay, one-sided, different sheets of, not like our designer series paper, a little bit thinner, but one-sided. And then here's the green. Again, just one-sided. This must be white. And see, it has like a kink in it already. Can you see that? I don't like that. Kinked up. Oh, and then look at these. These are cute. You just punch these out. No adhesive on them, though. But they're cute. Okay, so Annie's Card Maker Kit of the Month Club. I mean, it's cute. I don't think the quality is there. I believe it's like 15. Let me get my thing out here. My invoice. My little welcome letter. Let's see. The Fresh Picked Kit is $9.99. The toolkit was free. Shipping and processing is $5.95. So it's $15.94. If you subscribe. But like I said, this was my first kit, so it was a free kit for taking a look-see-loo at it. So, $16. I think I'm going to stick with the Stampin' Up! Kit. Just not really that impressed. I mean, the stamps are cute. The stickers are cute. I mean, the little freebie, that's nice. I don't know. I kind of like getting it in a box and kind of doing an unwrapping. What do you guys think? I don't know. That's what I think. So that's my honest opinion on the Annie's Card Maker Kit of the Month Club from a lover of Stampin' Up! Being me. So, I mean, if this is something you want to try, give it a try for a month. I mean, what do you got to lose if it's free? I mean, I'm probably just going to do this 1 month thing. I'm going to go ahead and cancel it. So, all right. Well, I'm already almost at 10 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and close this video, but I do have more to share, so be sure to come on back here at Stampin' Sue Creates here on YouTube, and check out what else I have to share with you. You're going to love it, I promise you. All right, thanks for joining me. See you again here real soon. Bye for now.